Hey everybody, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, and today I'm sharing with you my favorite lemon pepper whole chicken. I normally bake this in the oven or grill it, but I'm going to try this in my Instant Pot. And so today I have a 5-pound chicken. I got this from Lidl. It was like 94 cents a pound, so this was like $4.90 something cents. And then I'm going to use just a pat of butter, an onion, fresh lemon, and I have lemon pepper seasoning, a cup and a half of water, and then paprika. And I'm using this because in the Instant Pot, I don't know how it's going to turn out. So to make sure I get some color on this chicken, I'm going to use this paprika, which I love to use anyway. Okay, so what I did is, this has been marinating for 4 hours. And I just took fresh lemon, and I get all up in the cavities of the chicken and under the skin. And I put my lemon pepper seasoning inside and out, and I'll sanitize this later. Okay, so then just I rinsed it off, patted it dry, and sprinkled the lemon pepper seasoning on it. I'm going to do some more because it's about to go into the Instant Pot. And then we're gonna sprinkle it up high. You get better coverage when you sprinkle it up high. Okay, so we're gonna cover it with paprika. Okay. All right, then we're gonna go on over to the Instant Pot now. Okay, we're going to start with saute. So I'm going to hit the saute button. I'm going to hit start. I'm going to melt the butter. Okay, I've melted the butter, and I'm going to put in my onions. Chopped those up earlier and had those in with the onions in with the chicken. Now this is a 5-pound chicken, and the Instant Pot recommendations are to cook it like 8 minutes per pound. So since this is 5 pounds, we're going to cook it for 40 minutes and have it steamed in the Instant Pot. Alright, so let's let these onions saute for a little bit. And I'm going to put, I had 2 small cloves of garlic. I like garlic. Sometimes I might get a little allergic reaction to it, so I just do a little bit. Just a couple of cloves at a time. I kept these onion slices because I was going to just steam them with the chicken and make a stock. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do, just get a nice little saute. Okay, then I have my 1½ cups of water. Let that go. And here is the chicken, lemon pepper, fresh lemon, and paprika. And you put it in the Instant Pot, in the little tray that it has, the trivet or whatever you want to call it, the rack. I'm going to sit the chicken in here. rack. All right, y'all see that? All right, there's some, since I marinated it in that lemon and the spices, this is what came out. This juice came out as a result. So all right, we're gonna steam that baby. Make sure the chicken's in there good. Let's get a close-up. This is what it looks like before it's cooked. Okay, so now I have the lid on it. So now I'm going to take it off of saute. We're going to cancel the salt. We're going to go pressure cook. See if you can see that pressure cook. We're going to go over to poultry. Poultry. And we're going to start. All right, and we're going to cook it for 40 minutes, and then I'll come back, okay? Thanks, guys. Okay, we got about 4 minutes left. Okay, everyone, the chicken is done. As you see here, I only had to cook it 35 minutes. I'm using my thermometer here in the thickest part of the thigh. And it's up to 165, it's 170. Oh, that's not high enough. Okay, and as you can see, you can also tell if you can easily like take a wing off. See how this drumstick is pulling apart? You can easily get that wing out. You are in good shape. So let's see here. I'm gonna see how easy it is to take it out. Okay, guys, the chicken is up to temperature. What I use is this thermometer I've had for years, and like the dark meat was done like in 30 minutes. But because the breast was up top, it didn't get all the steam. So I flipped it and had the breast side down, gave it another cycle, another 10 minutes of cooking, and now it's up to temperature. It's 165 degrees. So, you know, it's very tender. It's not like, wasn't very beautiful like you do when you bake a chicken. So, let's see, let's lift it out. It's very nice to do this, to poach your chicken, get some stock, and I'm going to pretty much use mine for like to top my salad. So let's get a taste here. See how it comes off. Can't see that, can you? Let's push our cooker back. Right. I'm just going to take a taste of it. Flakes off very easily, very moist. Love that. Great, good flavor. So So yes, it's nice. Put it on your little rack. It's easy to handle. And it's moist. It comes up to temperature. You have some stock. I'm going to put some collard greens in here. Cook them in there. All right, so that's my whole lemon pepper chicken. I kind of hacked it up, you know, just because this is an experiment for me that we're going to eat. And I'm new to the to the Instant Pot thing. So yeah, it's good. All right, guys, so thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And don't forget, if you like this content, I welcome you to like it. Hit the like button, the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. And I have a playlist of budget meals. So go to my budget meals playlist and you'll see other content that I have. All right, well, thank you so much. And let's keep rolling. Bye.